Hello, dear students. You are welcome in RK Institute, and I am Dr. RK Saini. Today, we will discuss thermodynamics. You know about thermodynamics very well. Mainly, it is a branch of physical science and deal with different kind of energy. For example, work energy, heat energy, internal energy, Gibbs energy, etc. And secondly, it deals with flow of energy between system and surrounding. For example, when we assume electrical energy, then it change into mechanical energy by which rotate the blade of fans, and another its parameter like as internal energy, enthalpy, entropy, free energy, Gibbs free energy, etc. are used to predict spontaneity of the reaction. Spontaneity means at given condition, the process or reaction may be feasible or non-feasible. This prediction is calculated with help of thermodynamic parameters in all chapters. So we can say thermodynamics is very important topic for NEET and JEE examination point of view, as well as to understand the other chemistry. First of all, we discuss first law of thermodynamics. This law is also known as conservation of energy. Many statements are there. For example, the total energy of universe remains constant. Another statement, the energy neither be created nor destroyed. However, one form of energy can be converted into another form of energy. And so many statements are there. Mathematical definition of first law is change in internal energy is sum of the heat energy and work involved. This equation is known as first law of thermodynamics in mathematically, where delta is change in internal energy and Q exchange of heat energy and work, both are path function, therefore represented by del Q or sometime delta Q or Q, both are read as a exchange of energy, particularly heat energy, and W work involved during the thermodynamic process. Now we discuss thermodynamic parameters of first law. First of all, we discuss work. Sum of the all kind of work involved during the process or system, we calculate work. However, if nothing is mentioned in given question, then we calculate mechanical work, particularly pressure volume work. For pressure volume work, we assume gaseous system, because expansion or compression is the property of gas, not the property of solid as well as liquid. Therefore, to calculate pressure volume work, we assume gaseous system. Suppose a gas inside the following cylinder. The area of cylinder is A and it has frictionless piston. And we generate external pressure P external on this piston and taken a gas. General formula of work is a product of force and displacement. Therefore, we know that work is a product of force and displacement. We also know about force. Force is also a product of pressure and area. Therefore, work is a product of pressure, area, and displacement. We also know that the product of area and displacement is known as change in volume. Pressure and hence work is a product of pressure and change in volume. Pressure applied on system and hence denoted by P external and change in volume. This formula used to calculate pressure volume work of any thermodynamic process, and taking negative sign of work in chemistry. Negative sign is conventional sign of work in chemistry. This formula is applicable for reversible, for irreversible, for isothermal process, and for isobaric, isochoric, any type of process. We calculate work with the help of this formula. In case of expansion, in case of expansion change in volume with positive sign. Suppose initial volume is Vi and their final volume is Vf. Therefore, change in volume with positive sign in case of expansion, and hence sign of work is negative. Delta V positive, therefore the work W, sign of work is negative. In case of compression means decrease their volume. Initial volume and after compression the final volume of gas is V final. Therefore, change in volume in case of compression, change in volume with negative sign, because V final is less than their V initial, and hence change in volume with negative sign. Consequently, the work of sign is positive. Compression में thus work with positive sign. Okay. So I can say कि we calculate thermodynamic work or pressure volume work with help of this formula. किसमें? In case of any thermodynamic process. For example, in case of expansion, in case of compression, and process may be isothermal, isochoric, isobaric, adiabatic, कुछ भी, any type of process, then we calculate work with help of this equation. And it is simple equation calculated with the help of general formula. For example, we know that work is a product of force and displacement, and so on. Now we calculate work in some cases. For example, in free expansion and free expansion. What do you mean by free expansion? Expansion of gas in vacuum means P external is 0 or gas expand in vacuum. Therefore, P external is 0 and hence work is also 0. And hence work is also 0 in case of free expansion or expansion in vacuum. Similarly, in case of isochoric process, what do you mean by isochoric process? A thermodynamic process in which volume of gas remains constant throughout the process and then change in volume is 0. Therefore, work is also 0. Therefore, two simple cases, namely free expansion and in isochoric process, work is 0. And hence change in internal energy. In free expansion, as well as in isochoric process, equal to exchange of heat energy. In free expansion, W0, therefore change in internal energy equals to exchange of heat energy. Similarly, in isochoric process, change in internal energy equals to exchange of heat energy. So this is the first parameter. Of work. A simple question. Write sign of work in following process. क्वेश्चन है राइट साइन ऑफ वर्क. Write sign of work in following process. First process in which H2O liquid change to H2O solid, and second one H2O liquid change into H2O gas. First of all, हाँ बोलो, फर्स्ट में क्या साइन होगा W का? फर्स्ट प्रोसेस एक्सपेंशन और कंप्रेशन. इट इज एक्सपेंशन बिकॉज वॉल्यूम ऑफ आइस, जानते सुनिए, बिकॉज वॉल्यूम ऑफ आइस इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन द वॉल्यूम ऑफ लिक्विड वाटर. वॉल्यूम ऑफ आइस is greater than the volume of liquid water and hence expansion takes place, or in case of expansion the sign of W is negative because change in volume is positive. Similarly देखो वैसे ध्यान रखें आप, इन जनरल रूल होता है generally the volume of solid is less than the volume of their liquid in general, but exceptionally the volume of ice solid is greater than their liquid, therefore it is expansion and hence the sign of work is negative. Similarly it is another example of expansion, that because the volume of gas is always greater, no exception, volume of gas is always greater than the volume of their liquid, no any exception, and hence it is also expansion, therefore the sign of work is negative. Okay, simple. एक another question. Question. Write sign of work. Right. Sign of work in following process, in which one mole of ideal gas take part in this process. ये प्रेशर एंड दिस इज द टेम्परेचर. इसमें एक ग्राफ प्लॉट किया, देखिए ध्यान से. ये इसके प्रोसेस था, ये कंडीशन गैस ए, और ये इनिशियल स्टेट एंड इट इज द फाइनल स्टेट ऑफ गैस एंड आइडियल गैस टेक पार्ट इन दिस प्रोसेस. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ध्यान से सुनिए, हमने पूछा साहब इसमें साइन बताना है आपको वर्क का, और वर्क का मेरे पास एक ही फॉर्मूला, एनी टाइप ऑफ प्रोसेस वी कैलकुलेट वर्क विद हेल्प ऑफ ओनली दिस फॉर्मूला derived by mathematical application. First of all, we predict this process is expansion or compression. ध्यान से देखिए, हाँ, pressure of in this process remains constant, and in case of ideal gas we know that P equals to nRT. Pressure constant, N and R constant, therefore volume directly proportional to temperature. During this process, temperature increase. Temperature increase, and hence volume is also increased. Therefore, it is expansion work. And the sign of work is negative. In case of expansion, the sign of work is negative. तो कई बार इस तरह से आपको ग्राफ दे दिए जाते हैं, तो आप प्रिडिक्ट करेंगे कि गिवन प्रोसेस इज एक्सपेंशन और कंप्रेशन. सिमिलरली अनदर क्वेश्चन. Gas at point A and change into point B. Ideal gas. गैस कौन सी है हमारे पास में? Ideal gas. What is the sign of work? We know that it is also expansion. The initial volume of gas is less than their final volume. Therefore, it is also expansion. And in case of expansion, the sign of work is negative. Similarly, another question. Ideal gas, ध्यान से देखिए, it is also ideal gas, and the process ideal gas and the following which participate in following process, right? Sign of work. Similarly, the process is isothermal, The process is isothermal. And we know that PV equals to nRT. In case of isothermal, pressure inversely proportional to volume. In case of isothermal, pressure inversely proportional to volume. Pressure increase, ध्यान से नोटिस करेंगे, pressure increase and hence volume decrease. वापस, it is isothermal process. And during the process, pressure increase and as volume decrease, because pressure and volume are inversely proportional in case of isothermal process. Pressure increase, volume decrease. Therefore, it is compression and hence the sign of work is positive. Therefore, we clear work in thermodynamic process. Another question. Write sign of work, exchange of heat energy and change in internal energy in following process. First of all, we identify sign of work. It is expansion or compression. It is isochoric process because the volume of gas remains constant throughout the changes. It is isochoric process and has no work involved. Therefore, work is zero in this process. And then we predict sign of internal energy and Q. And hence, internal energy and heat energy, change in internal energy and heat energy are equal in this process. And we predict their sign. Initial temperature of A and B. When pressure, similarly, ideal gas PV equals to nRT. It is the isochoric process. V constant, N constant and R. Therefore, pressure directly proportional to T. Pressure increase, temperature also increase, and all increase the temperature, then increase the internal energy. Therefore, they have positive sign. Both have positive sign. It means during the process, system absorb heat energy. And kitni heat energy? Equal to their change in their internal energy. Okay? And hence it is the first parameter of first law of thermodynamics. Now, we discuss heat energy. Heat energy. It is also a path function denoted by Q. Heat energy, it is denoted by Q. And the heat energy expressed in terms of heat capacity denoted by C. Heat capacity denoted by C. And heat capacity is the amount of heat which required to raise 1 degree temperature of the system. Amount of heat which required to raise 1 degree temperature of the system is termed as heat capacity. In case of molar system, taken 1 mole of the system, then it is known as molar heat capacity denoted by Cm, Q upon ndt, change in temperature. If process carried out at constant volume, then heat capacity denoted by Cv. And in case of constant pressure, heat capacity denoted by Cp. Therefore, Cp equals to Qp upon ndt. एक बार वापस बता देता हूँ. What do you mean by heat capacity? Amount of heat required to raise 1 degree temperature of the system. How much system? Maybe 1 gram, maybe 10 gram, maybe any amount of the system. Therefore, it is extensive property. Therefore, heat capacity is an extensive property. But molar heat capacity is an intensive. Molar heat capacity means amount of heat which required to raise 1 degree temperature of 1 mole of substance. Therefore, amount is fixed and has intensive property. In case of constant volume, heat capacity denoted by Cv, and at constant pressure it denoted by Cp. Therefore, Cp and Cv are heat capacity of ideal gas or a gaseous system. Further, we know that first law of thermodynamics equals to change in heat energy equals to Q plus W. In case of isochoric process, isochoric at constant volume, work is zero, and hence change in internal energy equals to heat energy. Therefore del Cv, therefore we write Cv equals to change in energy upon ndt, or we can say change in internal energy is equal to ncv dt. Further, in case of isochoric process, we know that work involved is zero, and hence change in internal energy equals to exchange of heat energy. Putting the value of exchange of heat energy in this equation, therefore Cv equals to change in energy upon ndt, or we can say change in energy equals to ncv dt. Now, at constant pressure, now we want express heat energy at constant pressure. Therefore, we require another thermodynamic parameter, and this parameter is termed as enthalpy, and their mathematical formula is enthalpy equals to internal energy plus PV, product of PV, where H internal enthalpy, that U internal energy, and product of pressure and volume. Change in enthalpy internal energy with respect to T, we write change in enthalpy with respect to T, change in energy with respect to T, and change PV upon dt. It is known as NCP. It is known as NCP. It is known as NCV, and it is known as PV is equal to क्या लिख सकते हो आप, nRT. Therefore, it is equals to nR, and hence Cp equals to Cv plus R for an ideal gas, or we can say Cp minus Cv equals to R. Means Cp of ideal gas is always greater than their Cv. Cp of an ideal gas is always greater than their Cv, and their difference is R. And their difference is constant R. In case of calorie, its value is nearly 2, and in joule, its value is nearly 8.3. Now, it is also relationship is also known as Mayer relation. It is known as Mayer relation. Cp minus Cv equals to R. Now, we require another parameter to express heat energy at constant pressure. With help of enthalpy, we know that enthalpy equals to internal energy and product of PV, product of Vp. Their change. Calculate del H equals to del U plus del PV. At constant pressure, this equation write at del U equals to del H equals to del U plus P del V at constant pressure. In case of work, we know that P external change in volume. At constant pressure, P is constant. The pressure of gas as well as external pressure remains constant in isobaric process, and hence W equals to minus PdV. Therefore, change in internal energy equals to Qp minus PdV according to first law of thermodynamics, and these value put in this equation. When these value putting in this equation, then we obtain del H equals to PdV से cancel हो जाएगा, equals to change in enthalpy at constant pressure. And hence we can say exchange of heat energy. What is this? Qp means exchange of heat energy at constant pressure equals to change in enthalpy. And hence we write another formula. Cp equals to Qp upon ndt. At constant pressure, Qp equals to change in enthalpy, and hence change in enthalpy equals to Ncp dt. These formulas are used to determine enthalpy change of the gas in thermodynamic process. Next क्वेश्चन देखो, एक सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन. आइडियल गैस टेक पार्ट इन फॉलोइंग साइक्लिक प्रोसेस. ये P और ये V साइक्लिक प्रोसेस है. देखिए initial state of gas is A. At this point, the state of gas is B. At this point is C. The pressure of point A is 2 atm and the pressure as C point is 1 atm and the volume of this gas is 10 liter and the volume of point B is 20 liter. Write sign of work, exchange of heat energy, change in internal energy as well as change in enthalpy in following process. Process AB, process BC and process CA. See the question. First of all, we identify name of the process. Process A to B. Which type process and what is their name? In case of ideal gas, P and V, the product of P and V is 20 at point A and the product of P and V is also 20 at point B, and hence AB process is an isothermal process. AB को क्या बोलेंगे आप? Isothermal, because temperature remains constant. It is isothermal process. यहाँ लिख देता हूँ. It is isothermal. Process का नाम आना चाहिए. It is isothermal process. AP. In case of work, it is expansion work. A to B expansion, and hence sign of work is negative. Sign of work is negative. अच्छा, in case of isothermal and ideal process, the temperature आपके पास फॉर्मूला था डेल्टा U इक्वल्स टू N CV dt and delta H equals to N Cp dt. No temperature change in AB process. Therefore, delta H and delta U both are zero in ideal case and isothermal process. And hence the sign of Q. Delta H क्या हो जाएगा इसके अंदर? Zero. And hence the sign of Q is positive. एक बार साइन ऑफ क्यू को फिर आप चेक कर सकते हो, बिकॉज वी नो दैट डेल्टा यू इक्वल्स टू क्यू प्लस डब्ल्यू, वेयर डेल्टा यू इज जीरो, देयरफॉर क्यू इक्वल्स टू माइनस डब्ल्यू एंड द डब्ल्यू इज नेगेटिव, देयरफॉर क्यू इज पॉजिटिव इन एबी प्रोसेस. सिमिलरली इन बीसी प्रोसेस, व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ बीसी प्रोसेस? इज आइसोबारिक प्रोसेस. क्या है? आइसोबारिक. प्रेशर रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट. Isobaric process. In isobaric process, compression takes place. Because reduce the volume of gas and hence the sign of work is positive. In compression, the sign of work is positive. In case of internal energy and enthalpy change, pressure constant, we know that PV equals to nRT. Pressure constant and R constant, therefore volume directly proportional to temperature and volume decrease. During the B to C, the volume decrease, means temperature is also decrease. When decrease the temperature, decrease the internal energy as well as enthalpy, and hence their sign are negative. In case of isobaric process, the change in heat energy equals to change in enthalpy. Therefore, their sign is also negative and their magnitude equals to magnitude of enthalpy change in isobaric process. Similarly, then we identify C2A process. Volume of the gas remains constant and hence it is isochoric process. It is isochoric process. Therefore, no work involved in C2A, 0. Then we predict temperature of the gas. In isochoric process, pressure increase, temperature also increase. When increase the temperature, then increase internal energy as well as enthalpy. Therefore, their signs are positive. In case of isochoric process, and heat energy equals to change in internal energy. Therefore, it is also positive and their magnitude equal to their internal energy change. Okay. Therefore, it is the types of isothermal, isochoric and isobaric process, and predict sign of W, Q, delta E and so on. Now, we discuss another question. Question. 2 moles of an ideal gas. 2 moles of an ideal gas take part in isothermal process. Take part in ideal gas in case of isothermal process in which their volume change from 20 liter to 10 liter. Change from 20 liter to 10 liter against constant external pressure of 2 atm. Constant external pressure of 2 atm. Calculate change in internal energy, change in enthalpy, exchange of heat energy as well as work of the system. First of all, check the sign, check the question. 2 moles of an ideal gas take part in isothermal process. सिस्टम क्या है? आइडियल गैस. प्रोसेस कौन सा? आइसोथर्मल. क्या हुआ? compression, because their initial volume is 20 liter and their final volume is 10 liter, means compression takes place against external constant pressure of 2 atm. Ideal gas, isothermal. Therefore, delta U and delta H both are 0, because we calculate with change of temperature. Temperature does not change and hence their value remains constant. Now, according to first law of thermodynamics, we know that delta U equals to Q plus W. When change in internal energy is 0, then exchange of heat energy equals to work involved with opposite sign. Therefore, we calculate work. General formula of work is P external, change in volume. In this question, P external remains constant. It means it is irreversible process. Irreversible, sudden change. P external constant. Therefore, we derive a formula is minus P external and change in volume. P external, change in volume. P external 2 atm. Change in volume 10 liter, and hence 10 liter with negative sign. Therefore, work involved in this process is 20 liter atm, or we calculate in liter atm into joule, then 20 into 101.3 joule, because 1 liter atm equals to 101.3 joule, and hence work involved in this process is 20 into 101.3 joule, and heat lost is equal to same amount. When sign of W is negative, it means system lost heat. When system absorb heat energy, then sign of Q is positive. Okay, तो टुडे हमने क्या डिस्कस किया? फर्स्ट लॉ थर्मोडायनेमिक्स के पैरामीटर, पर्टिकुलरली वर्क एनर्जी एंड हीट एनर्जी, और उनका रिलेशन देखा हमने किसके साथ? चेंज इन इंटरनल एनर्जी के साथ. ठीक, नेक्स्ट क्लास में और आगे बात करेंगे. ठीक, ओके.